Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to have a demo about a new feature in Strike. So the new feature is within options and something known as options calculator. So it's a really helpful tool for people who are trying to use the options for their trading. So let it be even if you are option seller or even an option buyer. If you just want to calculate the price, projected price of a call option or a put option based on your targets for the particular symbol, so that you can do here. So it's preloaded with the values, current values. So as of now it has selected 22,200 strike for me, and I've entered my target as 22,500. So the system is telling me what could be the projected price based on this parameters for the 22,200 call, that is of 29th February expiry, and the expected price is coming out to be 365 and the current price is 151. And it's telling me the probable profit and loss if I have if I buy it at current price and my target is hit, then it is multiplying it by the lot size and telling me the target, and also the payoff graph is given here. So the payoff graph tells me my PNL at X amount of value of the Nifty index. Now the good thing is I can see the payoff for both buy side as well as sell side, right? So let's say if I'm an option buyer, then I see that the according to my target, buying a call is profitable option, and if in terms of put, selling a put is the profitable option. If I'm buying a put, then it will result in a loss according to my target. So you can see the PNL for both buy and sell side. So let's try to look another example for Bank Nifty. Let's look at one more example with Bank Nifty. So it's currently trading at close to 46,800. So let's say we are bearish on it and our target is around 46,000. So system has calculated the price of both 46,800 call as well as put. So if I am a put buyer, I can choose my buy side position here and it will show me the payoff graph for bullish put. And in terms of rupees, you can see that the current price is 414 and the expected price of this target will be 849.93, and the profit will be 6537. And as in case of the call, the current price is 411 and the expected price is 126.8, which is why selling the call is more profitable option here, with the maximum profit at maximum profit capped at 6172 and the expected profit on this price to be 4270. This is how you can change the strike for which you are calculating, as well as your target and even your expected volatility, based on which you will be able to calculate the expected prices of both options, that is call options as well as put options. So thank you all for watching. I hope option calculator helps you in your analysis as well as your trades. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.